fluency. Fluency is doing things easily and accurately. So students should be able to classify objects easily, and they should be able to sort objects based on attributes. They should also be able to do that easily and accurately. So let's go ahead and think about a few different fluency activities. One is that students might connect some of their classifying and sorting into things that we've worked on related to shapes and figures. There's a whole other module about shapes and figures. I hope you check it out, or maybe you've already checked it out. But here, students could be presented with different shapes and then sort them, my gosh, into two-dimensional shapes and three-dimensional figures. Or maybe here they would sort them into quadrilaterals and non-quadrilaterals. Students might also come up with their own categories. Remember, let students be creative, and this is a way to help students practice their fluency of sorting these objects by attributes. Here I could think about, I've got closed shapes and open shapes, and here would be a way that I could sort those. But then I'd ask, are there other ways that we could sort these shapes? Another way that we can help students with their sorting and classifying is by tying this to science or social studies. So here students might be learning about solids, liquids, and gases. How can I sort those? And then coming up with some examples. So there you can see those examples there. But students might categorize by wants versus needs, living versus non-living, winter versus living, winter versus summer, push versus pull, hot versus cold. There are so many ways that students can sort, and it doesn't always have to happen in the math classroom. So I'd like you to push pause and think about what are some of the fluency activities you use to help students understand this classifying and sorting. And did you see any activities in this module that you might try implementing in your classroom?